Here, take that. So you can see right here, it's still glued to the screen. Just slowly pry it. Slowly. Then you're going to get right here. And you're going to take the flat head and try to open this part. Okay. See, you're going to take this, you're going to open this right here. Make sure you open it.
Mom.
Yes.
I'm going to get my computer.
Okay. Okay. Be back. Alright, so you got that open. We're going to go to the other side and you're going to open this side. I like fixing little stuff like this, so this is why this is fun and this is really nothing to me. Like I said, just take it easy, taking this off the screen because it is glued to the screen. So you have to be careful. Have to be careful. Gotta be careful. Here we go. There we go. Drag it more. And find your plastic screw. Where is the plastic?
Mommy, I made this. I made this. I made this. That one.
That's not Mommy's. That's Lexus's. And you may want her to go through this, put it through this right, locks back and closes back. There we go. Let's see. That's that. And it screws right back on. Just set that off to the side. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to these screws right here. It's 4 screws you're going to take out. So, let me find my screw. It's this one.
Yes, they're yours.
It's back off. Remember, you want to make sure the computer is off when you go to disconnect. When you go to take the screen off. Go get to that screw. That one's a little tight. That right there. gotta get this screw right here. I don't know why it's not trying to spin. So